Hello guys, in this video I will teach you about the best third-party web downloader for laptops and computers. Let's get started. Now before we head into the video, let me tell you more about this browser. This browser is fast in downloading based on its threading technology. And also this downloader has many features that you will have to learn by yourself.
Gad's Battle.
Now this file is provided in the link in the description. Download it and extract it here. Now the password for this file is 123. Easy, right? Now you should find this folder, open it. Now run this as an administrator. Just follow me to avoid any errors. Just be patient. Now this software has a 30 days free trial and it will expire if you do not pay for it. Sorry guys.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
But is there another way? Well, yes.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now before you do this step, please make sure you have turned off your Windows Defender or any antivirus you have installed. Now all you need to do is open the cracked folder. As you can see, we have three options. We need a patcher to cancel updates and this is the one. So now follow me. Open this patcher and follow me. Just wait, it will look like it's freezing but it is working, so be patient. As you can see, patching is done. Now you can download anything you want faster and easier. Wait, you download porn? What the fuck? Peace out.